In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Ultipro account. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. So in order to log into your Ultipro account, what you have to do is simply go to your company specific login page. The login link should be provided by the company itself, or you can also go to the official Ultipro portal. For that, what you have to do is click on the search bar. After you do that, type in this link. You can see the link over here, ew23.ultipro.com/login.aspx. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll officially be led to the login interface of Ultipro. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. What you have to do is simply enter your username and password over here. The username and password will be provided by the company itself. So first of all, enter the username. Make sure to enter the correct username. After you do that, enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forgot your password, and you'll be able to recover it. After resetting the password, make sure to enter the new password over here. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen, and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Ultipro account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.